Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and you're back on the Roshain Reviews channel. We're on Oxford Road, doing an update on a few projects that's happening. So just showing you guys around and giving you an update in terms of the construction on Oxford Road in Kingston. As usual, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free, and we're trying to get to 6,000 subscriber before September 1st or as soon as possible. So if you see that subscribe button still red, guys, just turn it gray. Remember to like the video as well, leave a comment and share. So we are looking at the construction of the Hyundai headquarters that's coming to Oxford Road. They're coming right beside ATL. ATL Automotive is right behind me. I'm gonna go across the road and show you guys that in a bit. So this is the construction of Hyundai motor car dealership. This will be their main office and showroom. So take a walk with me around Oxford Road. Alright, so this is the other side of the road. This is the ATL pre-owned car lot. So these are vehicles that has been used for probably 1 year, 2 year, and then the owner probably upgrade or just sell it. So these are relatively new, pre-owned. And then the ATL main office is across from this lot here, where they have VW, Audi, and Kia. We have the National Commercial Bank right there, and our trust NTA, that's a training government institution for training. And then beside that, that white building is currently being renovated for Jamaica National. I think it was a government building before. Alright, so we're gonna go out on Oxford Road and show you guys around a little bit more. Alright, so I'm coming off Norwood Avenue, heading onto Oxford Road. Alright, so this is the older type apartment complex. Alright, and this is the structure. Hyundai car dealership, main office and showroom. So it's a mixture of steel and block structure. So I'm assuming that the ceiling of the showroom will be high, and then to the back you may have the offices. So I'm thinking that's the design. So let me know what you guys think so far. Leave your comments, share your thoughts in terms of the location and everything. It's gonna be right beside ATL, so it's gonna be a direct competition, because even the ATL has SUVs similar to Hyundai, cars, sedans, everything. So it'll be a direct competition. So again, leave your comments. Alright guys, so new Hyundai building, Oxford Road, Kingston. Alright, and then directly in front of it is the Planning Institute of Jamaica. It's about what, 4 floors? Alright, so this is Ripon Road here. Then we have ATL dealership over on this side. They also have the service department for Porsche. Alright, so this is the building being renovated. It's beside the JN, or Jamaica National Financial Center. So this building is also a part of the Jamaica National Group. And again, it's front of ATL Automotive. This location for ATL has Kia, Audi, and VW. Alright, so this is the finished look. I'm not sure if you guys can see it clearly. 6A Oxford Road, that's what they're renovating right now. Alright guys, so thanks for watching so far, Oxford Road. Just showing you guys an update on some of the construction. Remember to leave a comment, remember to like and share as well. So this is the new JN building. And then that's the NCB Towers. And again, ATL right behind me. I'm a big Audi fan. I wonder who else on the channel is an Audi fan as well.